The XL75 is the strongest of the compact XL series with 4,500 Newton tractive force. It is almost twice as strong as the XL50. The machine used here has solid rubber tires and added weight plates, which can be requested if there is a higher risk of punctures or you need the weight for traction. This machine is also fitted with a front rail, which can be used for quick adjustment of the height of the hitch on the machine. What the XL75 is moving is the Leonardo AW169 helicopter. This has a gross weight of 4,600 kilograms or 10,141 pounds and can weigh around 6,000 kilograms or 13,227 pounds when fully fueled. It has a crew of 1 to 2 and can carry up to 10 passengers. The cabin is the largest in its class, able to accommodate 2 stretchers in either direction. You can find out more about the Multi-Mover XL75 by getting in touch with Multi-Mover UK in Burton-on-Trent now. We can advise on the application and whether this mover is right for you. Thanks for watching.